Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today I did a model of the concrete beam column joint with steel reinforcement you can see it here as embedded region inside the concrete. Also some steel part to avoid the failure here. Here you can see the steel part here which is connected together. Let me check it in this view. Connected together with steel rod here, you can see them, and here you can see the steel rod. And now let me just replace the beam column. This is the beam column here. Click on animate. This is the stress, the compressive damage. We apply the load here at the end of the beam and at the top of the column, and the tension damage, plastic strain, stiffness degradation, or anything else. We can check it in this view also, exterior edge, to check the mesh or the displacement. And now let me replace um, the steel plate and the connected rods, um, also this. Okay, and now we need another part. Let me remove the concrete, that's better. And now let me remove all these strips and these steel bars. Okay, you can see here the displacement at the end of the simulation, the stress. We can use free edge, we can use limit to have a better view of the critical zone. So let me make it 5, it is better, or 8. You can see the critical zone here, and we can check the plastic strain for this at the rod center, and the displacement is too little. So for the let me to remove this and check the steel reinforcement. This is the steel reinforcement stress, the displacement for the steel reinforcement, you can see. Also, if we got the reaction force with the bottom point, we have a dynamic one because we use dynamic analysis, and you can change it. Okay, if you need to model the concrete beam column with damage behavior which reinforced with the steel reinforcement, also the steel plates which is connected here to here, here to here, you can see here, see, these are connected together. You can provide this tutorial and come to our website www.abaqus.com, find the English tutorials, click on title or blue sign, and then you will have a short explanation about the geometry, material method, step interaction, load, and then the result as figures. Here you can see them. The file contains CAE, INP, and English video file step by step. The cost is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to tell you about the purchasing process. Also, we have an Abaqus full package, contains 430 tutorials. It contains all aspects of simulations, and you can see the title of this of this Abaqus full package. We have many tutorials in this package, and the cost for that is so affordable, especially for the students, teacher, or engineer. And you can see titles here. Also, if you need this full package, contact me through this email. Thank you for your attention.